In this video, I will be showing you how to set up the Windows Copilot wallpaper on your desktop. Let's get started. I start by opening my web browser and navigating to the Microsoft Copilot interface. Here on the main screen, I want to ask a quick question. I click on the message box and type in my prompt. I ask Copilot to teach me how to read food nutrition labels so I can make healthier grocery shopping decisions. Once my text is fully entered, I move my cursor over to the submit arrow and click it to send the message. I wait just a brief moment while the AI processes my request and begins generating a detailed response. Now, I slowly scroll down the page to review the information it provided. I read through the section on key steps to reading nutrition labels, paying attention to the details on serving sizes and nutrients. As I scroll down further, I take a look at the quick comparison table it created for me, which organizes the data perfectly. I continue scrolling to the very bottom to check out the common pitfalls to avoid and the practical grocery tips it suggested. Once I am finished reading, I am ready to change my desktop background. I move my mouse cursor to the top right corner of the browser window and click the minimize button. This brings me back to my current desktop screen. Next, I find an empty area on my desktop, right-click to open the context menu, and then I move down and click on the Personalize option. This automatically opens up the Windows Settings app, taking me right into the personalization section. From this menu, I locate the background option and click on it to view my background settings. At the top, I can see a preview of my current screen. Right underneath that, in the Recent Images section, I see the blue Windows Copilot wallpaper that I want to use. I bring my mouse over and click directly on this blue image. Instantly, the preview window at the top updates to show that the new Copilot wallpaper has been applied. Since the background is now set, I move my mouse back up to the top right corner and click the close button to exit the settings window. Now, we are back on the main desktop, and you can clearly see the new Windows Copilot wallpaper is active and looking great. To wrap things up, I right-click on the desktop one last time and click refresh from the menu just to ensure everything is updated and running smoothly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.